Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to download Roblox app on Windows and or a Mac. So first of all guys, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to this home page. Make sure to log in before uh, before if you want to open the Roblox page. And now guys, you just need to click on any experience over here, any game. Just click on any game. Now guys, just click on this play button over here next to the game. Just click on it and it will trying to open Roblox app. If it didn't do not find, it will ask you to download and install it. Just click on this download and install button and now just click on cancel. Click on and down and the installer file will be downloaded here. So to install it, you just need to double click on it. And your Roblox app will be installed automatically. You don't need to do anything. So just the Roblox app will be start after installation done, and you just need to log in with your username and password and you will be able to use Roblox app on your PC, whether you have Macbook or Windows. It's the same process. Just follow these instructions. Hope like it. And in shortly the Roblox app will be open. Yeah, that's how you can see. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Till then, bye.